Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Last week the bank nifty was in a full bullish trend. We have seen a movement of like 6 days continuously. Bank nifty went up, and most of the time we were expecting that it might reverse, but that didn't happen. So today we are going to analyze bank nifty's on a multiple time frame chart, on a monthly, weekly and daily, and also on a 15 minutes and 5 minutes to analyze what is the overall trend. And then we will look at the positions which I am carrying for this week. So I have like 2 positions. I am expecting a little retracement to a 50% drop for the candle which has been formed on Friday. So I have positions which are like little on the lower side. So let's see how it goes, and we will also look out for stocks which we can add for portfolio for the coming week. So stay tuned. So I hope now you can see we are on Bank Nifty chart. This is our monthly chart. And if you remember, if you have been following my videos for the last couple of months, you can see that we have made a video on that week when we predicted that if the market moves above this level, it is going to come till the 20 period moving average. So now you can see the market has actually reached to this level, which is the 20 period moving average. So you need to understand that these are like really powerful setups. Whenever you see a bar like this where the buying is happening, whenever it drops at this level, so 3 times the buying happened from this level, and from there the market started moving up. So this was a trend line which we have drawn on a monthly time frame, which is still intact, and now it is at a resistance level, which is its 20 period moving average. So we need to see how, I expect the market to fall a little bit on the lower time frames and then go forward from there. So let's say this will be a crucial level, and this level will take some time for the bank nifty to consolidate here, and it will take some time to move forward. So let's analyze this on a weekly time frame. See, on a weekly time frame also, there is a overhead resistance of 200 period moving average. This red line what we see is 200 period moving average. Okay, so which is at 25,472. So the market is already in this zone. This is a huge zone where it has spent a lot of time, and this is the peak of this. So after this kind of a bullish full elephant bar, bullish bar candle, we can expect the market to retrace for 50% in the next candle. So next week you can expect the market to come down a little bit for the retracement and then move forward from here. So now on a daily time frame, we can see there is a resistance at 25,131. It is in a good uptrend, as I mentioned. See the number of days green candles have formed: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles. So 6 days the bank nifty has moved up continuously. So it might rest a bit. Maybe on Monday you can expect the bank nifty to open here and drop from here till this level, or it can open at this 50% level and then come back also. It can possibly do that. So let's see this on a 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame also the chart looks very bullish, but look at the distance it is away from. So you can see the distance between this and the 200 period moving average. The distance has increased a lot. So we can expect a certain kind of reversal to happen. Either on a daily bar, we can see that. So on a daily bar, we should wait for a reversal candle, which can give us any topping tail bar. Any bar like this with a volume which can help us identify the reversal, or a narrow range bar. So we'll wait for this signal so that we can take a reversal position. Right now I'm holding a position which is little bit on the lower side because I am expecting the market to be somewhere in this range. So I'll show you what positions I'm holding. So let's see this on a smaller time frame. This was the day, 28th August. Market opened up with a good elephant bar on the 20 period moving average, and it continuously moved up, and then there was a drop for the retracement till here, and again this is also a setup which has given a rally till the market has continuously moved up and closed up. So this was a complete bullish day, as you can see. Now we expect the market to at least come down till this level for a retracement, because it's gone too far. Anything which goes up has to come down and then take support and move up. So these are the positions which I am holding right now. As you can see, I have a Bank Nifty butterfly. So I'll show you this. This is an interesting one. So I have a double butterfly here, which is 132 butterfly on both sides, but the market has moved out from the range. So what we are doing is, it is already in this range. I am expecting Nifty or Bank Nifty to come back into this range by expiry. So that is why I am holding this. And if I see that why I have taken this position, because we have analyzed just now that there is a resistance here at 25,131, which is our 200 period moving average. So these two key moving averages we use for our trading, which is 20 and 200. And since there is a resistance at 200 period moving average, and 200 period moving average is not an easy place to be crossed. Consider this as your China wall, and it takes a lot of volume to cross this level. So you can see there was a huge volume here, which is a sign that there might be a drop on Monday. So that is the reason I am holding this position. I am expecting a drop back into this. When it drops back into this level, I'll make about 6,700, and my maximum loss will be this much, so which is fine for me. And in any case, if we see that market is going upwards, it's not going to come back, then we can just simply do an addition of a call in this direction in 23,900. So the profit will become unlimited. It will be close to somewhere around. The more the market goes up, the more the profit we make till expiry. So this is how we can adjust. I have another position on Nifty. So we'll analyze this position. So this is a different position I have taken on Nifty. I have done a 131 actually. So I'm expecting, if the market, my initial position was 121 like this. It was a 121 butterfly. So the market moved out of the range, so I converted that to a positive position, so that even if it case, in this case, just a second guys. So in this case also 131 now. So in this case, if the market moves anywhere here, my PNL will be 108. It will be little better than that, but I am not going to do this. So on Monday I'm going to close this position because I don't want to take a loss. So I converted this to a positive, and I will close this with some profit and write another butterfly which will be basis the direction for that day. So let's go and find out some stocks which we can add for our portfolio, and for that we are going to use our charting scanners. So we will use our Super Trend monthly scanner. Okay, so we have a super trend weekly. So we have a weekly close crossed above weekly super trend 14 and 3. So let me run this scan and identify what has crossed. So we are only scanning futures, guys, so keep a track of this. This is only futures. These are the settings weekly. And what are the stocks we have? IndusInd. So we have IndusInd. We will analyze all these stocks one by one. So we will take IndusInd Bank, Canara Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India. So you can see 5 are from the banking side. That means Bank Nifty is very bullish. LIC Housing Finance and Kotak Mahindra Bank. 6 are from the banks. So we can add all of this to our watch list and then analyze this. Let's click here and analyze. You can definitely see the chart here. As you can see, here the moving average is about 20. I can edit this moving averages. Yes, so this is 21 and 10. So I don't need 10, I can take 200 and update chart. Okay, so this is for IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank has a good level. It can go up to 842 levels by coming weeks, which is a good sign. The price is above 20, but it was in a downtrend. Now the trend will change after 842. So if you want to play for a short gain, you can do this and wait for the 840 to be crossed and then hold it for the portfolio for coming months. Then let's see Canara Bank. Canara Bank, same situation. It is going up till 139, but still I wouldn't suggest this to be added to the portfolio at this moment. Axis Bank is also same chart, same situation. All of them are nearing its 200, but 200 has to be taken out. Only then we can add it to our portfolio, so that the trend change, the primary trend changes to uptrend. ICICI Bank also near, but this is more flatter compared to others, flat 200. So it might take some time for it to cross this. If it crosses and sustains above this level, definitely you can add it to the portfolio. State Bank of India. So you guys, have you noticed that all these banking charts are looking very similar, and Bank Nifty is also very similar. So SBI is exactly like Bank Nifty, which has got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of continuous up move, and 242 can be the next level. So, but these are all looking for a short-term gain. We are not getting a long-term entry. LIC Housing Finance, you can watch if this resistance is broken 327 and if it sustains above this level, then we can definitely add it to the portfolio. Kotak Bank has closed above the 200 period moving average, which is a very positive sign. And we also have this setup here, which is red bar taken out by a green bar. So this setup is called as RBI, red bar ignored, setup at a key level, which is the 200 period moving average level. So we can expect a lot of bounce in this. I would suggest that on Monday, whatever price you get, if the price sustains above Monday by closure, if it sustains above 200 period moving average, you should take this and add it to your portfolio. So in my view, out of all these stocks, you can definitely bet on this one, Kotak Bank, which you can add it for the next week and hold it till the time it doesn't break the super trend on a weekly basis. So that's it, guys. So that's it for this week, guys. And I just want to share a few thoughts on this. If you really want to get into trading, you should always look out for a strategy which can give you consistent results with a proper risk to reward management, which I think butterfly strategy is really good if you want to follow that religiously, and you need to have a minimum 10 lakhs capital to start this. The higher the capital, you can scale up this strategy very easily. So that's the biggest advantage you have. And you can have a proper sleep in the night. Even if you scale up to a level, you know that what is the risk you're taking, because the strategy has already shown you that what is the risk you're going to take even if you lose. So that is there in your hand, and you can definitely scale it up to a block. Even if you have like 10 lakh capital, 20 lakh capital, 30 lakh capital, 40 lakh capital also, you can easily scale up this strategy. There is no risk at all. So the risk is defined, reward is also defined. So this is the best way you can trade. And this will help you to keep your emotions in control, and also will not spoil your health going forward, and you will not take undue stress. I see a lot of traders who are like in total stress all the time, and they keep spoiling their health in the due course of time, experimenting in various strings, various tactics. So this will keep you composed and follow one system, and then achieve the success which you want to achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.